Today is 1st August, first day of Breastfeeding Awareness Week. So when to get prepared for breastfeeding? So when you finish your 20 to 22 weeks anomaly scan, when everything is normal, you are almost in a safe level of your pregnancy where you are going to have a best outcome. So that is the time you can discuss with your gynecologist the options of feeding for the baby. The first step is getting examined by a gynecologist to look for any nipple abnormality. Nipple abnormality, especially the retracted nipple, is the important cause of lactation complications, failure of lactation, and it can cause a cracked nipple, it can cause mastitis, and it can cause abscess. During your pregnancy checkup, after a fifth month, get examined by a gynecologist. Look for retracted nipple, correct retracted nipple to have a happy, healthy postpartum period and happy breastfeeding.